Department of Homeland Security. And within that agency, this critical agency when it comes to border security, it's a revolving door to the highest levels. One of the reasons that several left, I'm told several weeks ago, was over this very proposal of mass arrest and mass deportations. I just don't follow this White House. They tell us night and day the big problem is the humanitarian crisis at the border, and the president is tweeting out a new initiative that has nothing to do with the border. He's going to go after people who have no criminal records and deport them. For goodness sakes, let's put our money where our priorities should be.
Heralded as the saviors of society. Oh, the saviors of children. While they're mass murdered, but children and adults and everyone. While they're mass murdered, but children and adults and everyone. Good. Where's the consumer product?
Oh my.
She was engaged to A-Rod. So in other words, this has been going on for, in other words, it was like they looked. A-Rod was cheating on me, but don't forget, Ben Affleck was dying for me. He had to have sex. But I'm going to tell you this.
You see the camera over there?
Yeah.
Good. You see yourself on YouTube later, face? Watch out for the pole next time, guys. Boy, you're so ugly. Oh, you're racist too, eh? Oh, I'm gonna love to put you on YouTube, you piece of... Why don't you pull over and we'll talk about it, okay? Come on. What you doing? What you doing?
You okay? You okay?
You good, bro?
Okay? Take your time and come on.
Move, hold on.
Take your time. Hold on, hold on. How you put your seat back?
Damn, bro. You guys okay? Everybody
Come on slowly. Come on
Everybody
slowly.
okay, bro?
Come on slowly.
Come on. You
Come on
okay?
slowly.
Come on, bro.
You got it, bro.
Come on slowly.
Easy.
You need some
sit down.
juice?
Sit over there. Guys, sit over there. Sit in the shade.
Come on.
Sit in the shade, man. Come on.
Oh yeah. Walk slow. Walk slow.
You got it. Somebody call.
Yeah.
You got it.
Over here. Get in the shade.
Yeah.
Get in the
You
shade.
need water?
Watch your foot.
You
Watch
need
your
water?
foot.
Water?
Come on, bro.
Let me get him some water.
Sit in the shade. Come on. Sit in the shade. Sit right here, bro. Sit right here. You all right, my man? All right, right here. Sit down right here, bro. Sit right here. Sit right here, bro. You okay? You feel anything?
All right,
You
you
feel anything?
stay with him. Stay with
All
him.
right.
No, come on. Come on. Come on. No problem. Taking over from here? Yeah. All right. The gentleman that was in the accident is over there by the tree. Okay? All right. How you doing? The gentleman that was in the car, he's over there by the tree. That's him right there.
Did you see what happened or anything or no?
I did. I really don't want to get a mixy.
It's all getting turned over to the Florida Highway Patrol.
Okay.
So they're gonna do a traffic report. Just if you saw what happened, that's take it for him.
I was coming this way.
Yeah.
They were coming this way. I heard a bang. I looked up. I'm assuming I didn't.
But you didn't actually see kind of.
No, I just saw and I saw it there. But I just know the gentleman is right there. The lady is inside the campus still.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate it.
All right, no problem.
Do you want to be on dashcam time? It's simple. All you need to do is click on the video submission form, which can be found on our channel or video descriptions. Fill in a few boxes that will provide the information for your incident and then submit. It's really that easy.